Thanks for joining me on another Mitch Australia video. Today we'll be unboxing the Olight Omino. It's a 4-port magnetic charger for all your Olight torches that you've got. On the back here, we've got some specifications. You've got input 5 volt, 2 amps, and then it's got a max output of 1 amp per port. I'll scroll up to some more features there. Pause the screen if you want to read more. And then I'll show you the top of the box there with more of a blurb. Again, pause the screen if you want to read through some more. So, yeah. I'll pull this out, show you it charging up some torches. So yeah, let's get into it. Get this pull tab. Pull it straight out. So you got the charger sitting right there. We'll take that out, put it to the side. In the box there, you got the instruction manual. And then also the charging lead. Nothing else in there. Put that to the side. So I'll plug in this charging lead and I'll be back with you in a moment. Alright, so I've plugged it in now. It's got the 4 magnetic charging ports right here. Olight nicely written on the side. On the back there it's got Omino magnetic charger, and it shows you the inputs and outputs there. So I've got a couple of torches on the side here. Got an O bulb here, been nicely rotating colours. I'll switch that off. Throw that on the charger. Boom, see the little light in there? It's red, tell me it's charging. I've got the M2R Pro Warrior torch here. Absolutely love this one. Stick that on the charger. Boom, red light again. Got one of my early Olights that I purchased, the S1R Baton 2. We'll stick that on the charger. Once again, red light. And I've also got the Baton 3 little torch here. And once again, charging right there. So yeah, it's charging up well. Once all the charging's done, these will turn to green lights. So yes, this will be handy out on my camping trips, all those sort of things. I'll be able to charge up multiple torches at once overnight. So yeah, well, if you stayed through this whole video, you watched it to the end, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more content coming soon, and give it a thumbs up. Cheers, guys.